Hi friends, and welcome to this explainer video on present perfect. So let's start right away. Now, what is the formula for present perfect? Now present perfect, the formula is subject plus have has plus verb 3 plus object. So you're going to use the verb 3. And I have already shared a video on when to use have and when to use has. So I'm not going to cover that in this video. I assume that you have already seen that video. If you have not, I would really urge you to have a look at that video, which I think is in module day number 4 or day number 5. You might want to check it out. Now, when is the present perfect tense used? It is used for experiences. Now, let us take a few examples. I have taught physics to many students. Now, let's understand this with a timeline. I'm sure you know what a timeline is. Now, when you say that I have taught physics to many students, we are talking about this person's experience of teaching physics. In his career till now, he has taught physics to many students, and maybe in the future he will teach physics again. But till now, he is saying that he has the experience of teaching physics to many students. We are not talking of any particular time, but we are talking, the emphasis here is on this person's experience of teaching physics to many students. So I hope that is clear. Let us take one more example. Varun has visited France 4 times. Again, timeline. Now Varun has visited France till now, he has visited 4 times. In his life till now, he has visited 4 times. So that is what he wants to stress upon, that he has visited 4 times. He is not emphasizing on the time he has visited France, but till now in his lifetime he has visited France 4 times. Maybe he could visit it in the future also. But what he's trying to emphasize is that he has visited 4 times in his life till now. Number 3. We have seen 2 movies this week. Okay, maybe the week is still not over and they've seen 3 movies. Maybe they could see a 4th also. But till now, in the week, they have seen 3 movies. So, I have put a chart out here, friends. With he, she, it and a proper noun we use has. And with I, we, you, they we use have. Right? So, I hope the first part of present perfect is clear. We use it with experiences. Now, let us move on and understand the second part of where we use present perfect. We use present perfect with recent actions or events. Let us understand them with examples. I have finished my homework. Now, this person, this child or this student may have finished his homework about 1 hour back, half an hour back, but he's emphasizing on the fact that he has finished his homework. And now he can go out to play, or his mother might give him permission for something else, but he wants to stress on the fact that he has finished his homework. So the stress is on finishing his homework, but not at any past time. Let's take one more. Rakesh has lost his glasses. Now, Rakesh could have lost his glasses today, or he's lost his glasses yesterday. The fact is on losing his glasses, right? So we are emphasizing on that fact. Let's take number 3. The police have arrested a young man in the robbery case, right? So they have arrested a young man in the robbery case. When did they arrest? That's not important. What we are trying to emphasize is that they have arrested a young man in the robbery case. Now, let's understand the difference between present perfect versus the past simple. Now, many people get confused when to use present perfect and when to use the past simple because there are certain similarities. So let's understand that. The formula continues to remain the same. I have already told you about the formula. So let's talk about experiences first, right? I have taught physics to many students. We saw this example. The past simple will be, I taught many students when I was a teacher. So here we are emphasizing on the time. This is the past simple. Here we are emphasizing when I was a teacher. This person is not a teacher now. So he is emphasizing the fact that he taught many students. Here he is saying, I have taught physics to many students. Right? He is talking about his experience. And here he is talking about when he was a teacher. He is specifying the time. Number 2, Varun has visited France 4 times. Is the present perfect example we saw. Varun visited France in 2015. You see, we are stressing on the time and that becomes the past simple. Number 3. We have seen 2 movies this week. The present perfect. We saw 2 movies last week. We are talking of a specific time last week. Let's talk about recent actions or events. I have finished my homework. Present perfect. We talked about it. I finished my homework at 6:30 p.m. A specific time. Past simple. Rakesh has lost his glasses. Present perfect. Rakesh lost his glasses at the match. We are specifying where he lost where he lost his glasses. He lost his glasses at the match. The police have arrested a young man in the robbery case. Present perfect. What will be the past simple? The police arrested a young man last night in the robbery case. We are specifying the time. So I hope it is clear when to use the present perfect and the difference between the present perfect versus the past simple. Please go on to solve the exercises. I will see you in the next video.